so we're gonna make some hazelnut carob chip cookies today. Ari is breaking up the hazelnuts here. Nice.
Well done.
I'm gonna put some coconut sugar in here. Okay, so now we're gonna get the flour together to make the cookies. We're using some organic whole wheat flour here that we got on sale for like $1.40. So I bought a bunch of them. And we're gonna put some coconut oil in there. And I will give you guys the recipe online. Okay, so we're getting the coconut oil here. We're gonna melt that down. So we threw in some hazelnut here. Now we're gonna start mixing up things. Okay, so you wanna mix your your coconut sugar. You want it to dissolve. It'll make for a better cookie. Someone's breaking them hazelnuts over there.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, so we're gonna mix this up really good. If you don't mix it up, the cookies won't taste right. You'll have that grainy sugar in there. Okay, got some soy milk in here with some coconut brown sugar. Okay, so this is our consistency that we're getting here. We put the carob chips in. We're gonna make little carob cookies. Okay, so here they are ready to go in the oven. Looking good. They got coconut oil in them, coconut sugar, carob, and hazelnut. Okay guys, here's the cookies, all done. They're looking good.